Hey, Will Roberts here, and today our little Instagram minute or two is going to be about lighting, because in self-taping or in anything you're doing, videotaping stuff, it's the key component to making sure your thing looks quality. And so in doing that, you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you want and get yourself a light or so on, and clutter up the place with a light here, key light, and all that fun stuff. But there are great options nowadays, and let's get to the point. This one's called the R300, and it's on my camera. Right now I have no lighting other than my general lighting. But, just a note, if you don't have lighting, my window is right there. Rarely would I be shooting this way into a window or anything backlit, because when you do that you get really bad shadows and you look dark and it just looks like garbage. You don't want to do that. But what you want to do is you want to get this R300, F&V is the company, and it's R300 because it's got 300 little LEDs. And right now with no lighting, this is the way I look, and I would never want to turn a self-tape in like this. So here's the light. Now it goes pretty bright, and you can see. Right now I've got two filters on, and I look like I'm probably doing a scene from E.T. I hope you're old enough to know what that movie is. But anyway, the point is that you can dim this. It's a really great light. I can't see right now. I have like major light in my eye here. So you can dim it down to its lowest setting. It has two filters. I'll show those in a second. But the cool thing is it has this dimmer. You can do if you're in the field or you're doing something out somewhere else, you can get a battery, a charger. They sell that. It's pretty cool. Or you can do what I'm doing, which is plugging it straight into there, so I'm not wasting a battery. So this is what it looks like, and it really gives good warm tones. I've got two filters on right now, one that knocks down the bright light, which I'll show you right now. And here's the cool thing about this is that they use raw earth magnets. So see, this is the bright light. Now you can use only this light in a dark room or on the field, like if you were holding this, and it's going to give you great lighting because it's a ring light. So it goes around the camera lens normally. Now normally you have an SLR or an DSLR. You have a camera and the lens fits in here, and it kind of sticks out a little bit. I had to do a little bit of rigging, I'm not going to lie to you, I'll show you this in a second, in order for me to get this to kind of work. And I have a little arm that I bought, but it shoots through it and gives us great lighting. But if you don't like the lighting it gives you there, then you can add in a filter. And look at how easily that snaps in. A lot of times you got to slide it in places, that breaks, it's just a mess. That's a knockdown of the normal light, and this is I think called a tungsten, which gives you even a nicer, warmer look. And you of course can go up and down with that, lighting intensity. So there's a lot of technical terms I don't know. I've just been doing my thing by trial and error, and this is what I give to you in regards to my trial and my error, my learning curve. Break right through it. This is how to self-tape. Of course, this is an Instagram short, but you can see this whole thing on YouTube, of course, at actingupradio.com. That's actingupradio.com. And make sure you check out the show and listen to it, because we always have great tips and information. Thanks to my friends Koll Limited. That's Koll Limited. Those folks are helping me out F&B here with the different equipment. That is your lighting tip. And let's take a look at the arm I'm talking about, and I'll walk through it with a voiceover. Now normally it comes with a mount that looks like this, that you can put on top of a tripod like that, sort of a stand. But this is the one that comes with it, and it actually normally shoots out from the tripod. This is my cool, remember that we did the review on this guy, and it's got multiple holes in it so I can attach it. But I tried to do that, and because it's used to an DSLR, and the lens goes through here, I found that, and I'm trying to put this on here now, so if it's attached, it was getting this, and I couldn't do it, and it was also turning the camera on and off. So I basically put this item on, and I bought this for like, I don't know, $5-6 on eBay, and it's an arm that you adjust, and it allows you different angles. It's awesome. I've used it with my monitors before, and it came in handy this time. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was a little difficult to get this hooked up, but I put it to the back of the camera, and it worked out just great. So I highly recommend this whole system. I'll put it all on the site. Check it out. And of course it comes with the two filters. And you can buy another one called a milk filter that basically really knocks down the light and gives you a really great warm feel to it as well. That's it.